Hey guys, it's Emmeline, and today we will be unboxing Emmeline. Let's take a look at her box. Here's the front. Here is the side. The back with the story. And the other side. Let's take a look inside. Here we have some parts, and here's her head, which looks awesome. Take a look at that detail. Really excited to get this thing set up. Now we will connect both base pieces together. Now we will connect part C, the mechanism on pole, to the part C on the base. Attach part D, the pole with the spring, to the part D on the back base. Just like so. Now, attach your mechanism to part E. If yours comes extended, we're just gonna want to retract it. Now we will attach the mechanism rest, labeled O, to the corresponding pole on the first base. Like so. Now you attach the supports on the poles using the included cotter pins. Just like this. Make sure it's all the way in and should be in place. Now attach it on the back part. Like that. Now attach the F pole to the F pole on the back base. Like so. Now let's attach H to H. Snap lock it in. Now we're going to attach G to G. And now you attach I to I. Just like so. Now attach parts J to J. Put the dress over the mechanism to cover the base. Just like so. Let's put on the head and clothing. Like so. So now attach part L onto this piece in the body. Then put the washer through. And then the cotter pin. Since the arms and hands come detached, you're going to want to put it on manually inside the body. Just like so. Now we will do the second arm. Like so. And the next thing you'll want to do is attach the wires onto the pole with the little clips included. Just like this. And now we will pull up her dress. Now you want to attach your clothing to the hooks. The left one being a little bit lower, it might be a little hard to spot. Just like so. Now you'll want to attach the wires under the clothing. Just like this. Now you want to grab the other wire and also attach it. The same way you just attached the other one. You'll want to adjust the volume to your liking. Set the switch on the mode you want it on, and you're done with the control box. You'll want to attach the spring. Just like so. Last but not least, you want to add the weights. Make sure they're over 50 pounds and placed further to the back for safety. That was the full unboxing and setup of Emmeline. We hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time.